What's up, everybody? It's me, Rose, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we will be unboxing the Red Iguana. So you guys, I had this practice hand for about a year now. I forgot I had it until my niece reminded me. So we're gonna do a quick little unboxing video, and I'm gonna show you what comes inside. So this is how the hand comes when you receive it. It comes in a little organza bag to protect it from dust and all that good stuff. So you want to open it, take it out of the bag, and this is what she looked like. How gorgeous is this bad boy? Look at the nail beds. We got the veins in the hand. It comes with this cute little ring, and it also comes with a bracelet. I thought that was so cute. Now you could order the tips that come inside, but I already had some in my house. So I'm going to show you what it looked like when you add the tips. I'm trying to stay in the viewfinder because this is an awkward angle. So you're going to take the nail tip and just slide it in until you can't push no more. And I'm going to tell you what size tips it take in a minute. You just want to slide it in like that. You want to be careful because you don't want to, force it in and then you mess up your hand because you paid a lot of money for it. And we're going to get to the price in a minute. But it goes in just like that. So easy. And then, oh man, I hope I was in the viewfinder. And then you want to take the thumb and slide it in. Like that. So that's how she look with her little tips on. She's cute. And let me show you. I had these tips for a while. I just didn't use them because I love how the clear tips look. So for the thumb, it takes number 1, but on the paper it says 0. But as you can see, it fits sidewall to sidewall really well. So that's number 1 inside. And then for the pointer, number 5. For the ring in the middle finger, it takes a number 4 size tip. And then for the pinky, it takes number 8. Now inside the box with the hand, it comes with a thank you, a little thank you paper, and then this one has the instruction of care on there. So I think I paid all together with the coupon code. I used Long Hair Pretty Nails coupon code. So all together with the shipping and everything, I think I paid like $172. So it was kind of pricey, but to me it's worth it because look, you can pose the fingers however you need to. So that's the cool thing about that. It feels like a real hand. It's posable. It's just really nice overall. I think this is a good investment for someone who wants to do nails. so you can get the feel of, you know, putting the tip on, doing the prep work, and all that good stuff. It's really, really good. I love this. So now that I remember that I have it, be on the lookout for more videos. I'm also going to show you a cool set that I'm going to do with this hand. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the colors that I'm going to use. So, I made some acrylic powder. This one is a glow in the dark. And then we have orange creamsicle. Then we have sunny side up. And then the last color is snow globe. Shout out to my big sis, Purely Ab, for giving me this idea of the color scheme. So there's a better look of the colors that we're going to use. So stay tuned for my next design.